and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
This is body, but be Siddhartha Nadu of Great Purpose. The healthy of British King Sarif sporting accident to cancer diagnosis. Thank you.
In 1000 ODI match, became second team to ever reach milestone. Thank you. To all, my name is Vishwasandra. I am from Grade 4. I would like to say you today's weather report. Maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, mostly cloudy. Thank you. Have a warm day. Good morning to all. Today's state news is brought to you by VIII of Grade 4 Hazel. State news. Telangana is TG now, not DS, declares state combiner. KCR collude with Jagan Reddy to dent Telangana's interest on irrigation projects. Thank you.
I have come with the knowledge of sports news. Rohit Sharma encouraged Virat Kohli to become leading runs greater in history of World Test. Rohit has 2,242 runs at an average of 4,873. This includes 7 centuries and 650 with and thank you. Happy morning to all. I'm Tushar of Grade 4 Hazel. Today I'm here to encourage you by today's thought. Life is like a game of choice. I repeat it again. Life is like a game of choice. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hasni of Grade 4 Hazel. Here I am going to enhance your vocabulary by saying today's word. Today's word, delicious, means tasty food. Friends, please spell after me. Delicious.
Delicious.
D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S.
O-U-S.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Thank you and have a wonderful Wednesday. Good morning to all. I am Tejashwari of Grade 4 Hazel brings you amazing facts. Fact number 1. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Fact number 2. Grasshoppers have ears in their bills. Fact number 3. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. Fact number 4. Snakes can predict earthquakes. Fact number 5. Caterpillars have 12 eyes. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday. All. Today, my name is Vihan from Grade 4 Hazel to check your general knowledge. Question for Grade 1. Which planet is far from the Sun? Neptune. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Neptune. Question for Grade 2. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is lion. Question for Grade 3. Which country is largest country in the world? Russia. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Russia. Question for Grade 4. Greenland is part of which country? France. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Canada. Question for Grade 5. What is the national bird of America? Peacock. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is bald eagle.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud of
East rich
East rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall respect parents, teachers,
Teachers.
and all elders.
And all elders.
And treat everyone
And treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people.
I pledge my devotion.
My devotion.
India will be
India will be
and prosperity.
and prosperity.
Alone lies
My
happiness.
happiness.
Jai Hind.
Today, international and national news is brought to you by Cathedral of Great Topaz. International news: India to see investment of $67 million in next few to 6 years in energy sector. PM Modi introduced Vande Bharat Express between Madurai and Bengaluru Vaiko. National news: in Madhya Pradesh, at least 9 people have been killed while over 60 others are injured after a massive fire broke out inside a firecrackers factory in Harda. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by K. Vishnu of Grade Topaz. State News. In Madhya Pradesh, the 12th board examination of the Board of Secondary Education are starting today. Sports News. Mumbai Indians trade Hardik Pandya from Gujarat Titans for 15 crores rupees. They made him the new captain of removed the Rohit Sharma from the leadership role. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today weather report is brought to you by K. Vinay of Grade 8 Topaz. Weather report. Maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by Varshit from Grade 8 Topaz. Today's thought: you are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I will repeat once again. You are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Thank you.
Miss B. Shochan from Great Topaz. Today word is brave. BRAVE, meaning ready to face and endure danger or pain. Friends, please spell after me. Brave. BRAVE. Thank you. Have a nice day. And today's science facts is brought to you by G. Vishnu Saram Yashwant from Grade 8 Topaz. Fact number 1. The Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean.
It is physically impossible for pigs to look up in the sky.
A cloud can weigh around 1,000,000 pounds.
Galilei is the father of science.
There are more trees on Earth than the stars in our galaxy.
The strongest muscle in the body is the tongue.
The body produces 25 million new cells every second.
Dwarf planet Pluto was named by an 11-year-old girl.
The brain uses 20% of body's oxygen.
On the planet Mercury, days are longer than years on the Earth. Thank you.
Today GK questions are brought to you by Arkham from Grade 5. Question for Grade 6. Who is the often credited with discovering America in 1492? I repeat again. Who is the often credited with discovering America in 1492? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Christopher Columbus. Question for Grade 7. Which rivers flow through the Grand Canyon in the United States? I repeat again. Which river flow through the Grand Canyon in the United States? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is the Colorado River. Question for Grade 8. Who is the author of the Harry Potter book series? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Who is the current President of United States? I repeat again. Who is the current President of United States? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Joe Biden.
He said Joe Biden. He said Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. Yes, let us appreciate them. Thank you. Questions are brought to you by Kagan from Grade 8 Topaz. Question number 1. What is the currency of Japan? Yes, you pick the correct answer. Let us appreciate them. There is Yen. Who painted the famous artwork The Starry Night?
I repeat my question. Who painted the famous artwork The Starry Night? Sorry, you did not pick the answer, and the answer is Vincent van Gogh. Who was the first president of the United States? Huh? I repeat my question. Who was the first president of the United States? You did not pick the correct answer, and the answer is George Washington.
That girl has said that answer. Washington.
Adapakti George Washington.
That is full name. Answer is right.
Which country in the world doesn't get sunlight?
Repeat again. Not getting answer. Repeat. Listen.
I repeat my question. Which country in the world doesn't get sunlight? You did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Norway. Question number 5. How many languages are used in India? I repeat my question. How many languages are used in India? 1652. Thank you.
Today's article on Mother Teresa is brought to you by Amulya and Ashwita of Grade 8 Topaz. Mother Teresa was born on 26 August 1910 in Skopje, North Macedonia. Mother Teresa's parents, Tranfly Bogzio, Nicola Bogzio. Nationality, Albanian, Indian, Yugoslavian. Awards, Nobel Peace, Bharat Ratna, Pope John 23 Peace Prize. At age of 18, she became a nun. She decided to live rest of her life as a nun. Mother Teresa devoted her life in religion from the age 12. After leaving home at age 18, she never saw her mother again. In her first teaching job, Mother Teresa had few supplies. She has received more than 120 honors and awards.
Mother Teresa is widely recognized today for her charitable work. Through the order of missionaries, she offered help to the ill, the poor, the starving, and the dying. Among her hundreds of achievements and accolades are a Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and the canonization into sainthood by Pope Francis in 2016. Yet since the 1990s, she has also been a polemical figure, facing criticism for the validity of her values and her charity. We take a closer look at the life of this notable and controversial public figure with a series of surprising facts about Mother Teresa's life and work. Thank you.